started driving high school. My stepmom worked too, but you can't do that off of one income right nowadays.
My mom's from Tyler County, West Virginia.
Oh, okay. So they're more country than the areas I grew up. There's people who ain't been out them hollers ever in their life.
No, I mean, yeah. So
But everybody waves when you go by. That's what I like about Belmont where I live.
They don't have nothing. They're just more genuine up there.
Well, it's like you give one baby a toy, another baby a toy, and you give the other one 2 toys, and you take one away, they're going to it's not going to be the same.
No.
But let me get off the truck while I ram, because I hate to do that.
All right, man.
It's nice talking with you.
Yes. It was silver. Yes, that was it. Yeah, it was a silver.
So, do you know him?
Yeah, he parks his boat where we store our boats.
But he's one of the ones that are
He's a Friday. Oh, definitely not. No, a Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
So if it was you saying they...
Yeah, that's actually a neighbor of mine, which was wild. I told Brinsey the story, and when he didn't have the sticker, he told him to leave with his group. A neighbor of mine decides that they want to go into the boat business, and you know what? I'm all about friendly competition. I will help you whichever way I can. That's it. So, but he didn't tell me when he first talking to me that he's been thinking about this for a while, unbeknownst to me. I'll get to that. But anyway, he, at the time, my company was for sale with a broker at the time. And so I said to him, oh, it just so happens my company's for sale. We get 1,200 customers, blah, blah, blah. He,
I bet you were doing it.
Pulling it out. I thought they were putting it.
No, but that's the Barons.
but that's okay. That's okay. No, she called me and asked me for my my marine insurance, and supposedly she finally got approved by it.
I heard him on the phone again. The other officer said that she's still in the rate with Mambo or whatever. I wouldn't buy one for how much they asked for. I will get to take these bills off the head right there. Yes, sir. Whoa! You gotta come this way. Go forward.
Slowly.
Yeah, you're good. You're coming back right.
jet ski boat with
I noticed a lot of boats are going to outboard.
so much easier to maintain.
I got a 91 Chaparral 28-foot signature that keep at Tail Race Arena down on Mount Holly. And it gets a 454 in it. Holly 4-barrel gas guzzler. But I drive
That girl's
a
driving
Tesla.
Yeah, see, that's what I'm telling me. So my first question would be, how does Carolina Reynolds play with everything?
Which is Carolina.
The one that Hawk Up Ramsey Creek with 25 boats pulling right now. She's on. Yeah, and every boat goes out.
That guy was driving it when he.
I got rid of They never knew he'd come out on the water, come on the water. Yeah. But this keeps going drywall and calling it the process. Nice to have my company that's open.
He sounded worse.
That was probably about what, 450,000?
No, I actually, because that was kind of the prototype build, 206 delivered from Seattle, Washington.
Really?
Today, that boat would probably be